Guys, this outfit has a beautifully balanced look that combines elegance with everyday comfort. The fabric feels soft, smooth, and exceptionally pleasant to wear. Its lightweight design allows it to remain comfortable for long hours. The overall style feels modern while maintaining a timeless appeal. Friends, that's what makes it such a versatile choice. The fit feels relaxed, yet polished at the same time. It offers a flattering shape without feeling restrictive. Every detail appears carefully crafted and thoughtfully finished. The stitching is clean and contributes to the premium appearance. The material has a refined texture that feels both durable and comfortable. It drapes naturally and creates a graceful silhouette. Nothing feels unnecessary or over-designed. The design focuses on simplicity, quality, and lasting style. Friends, that approach never goes out of fashion. The fabric moves effortlessly with the body throughout the day. It maintains its shape while allowing excellent freedom of movement. The construction feels dependable and well-made.